Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be installing and reviewing the Olixar Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Olixar have a reputation for quality, low-cost accessories made specifically with the modern-day smartphone user in mind. With glass screen protectors rising in popularity for their durable protection and touch sensitivity, Olixar have created a custom-fit glass screen protector that works in harmony with the Note 10 Plus features and overall function. Installing this protector could not be any easier. It comes with all the tools you'll need to assist the perfect application, as well as the helpful QR code on the inside of the box that offers instructions if you need extra help. Inside the box you'll find an alcohol cleaning wipe for removing smudges and fingerprints, a microfiber cloth for drying off the screen, a set of stickers for removing dust and guiding the glass protector onto the screen, and the glass screen protector itself tucked into a protective sleeve. There are very few steps involved in applying the protector compared to some of the liquid glue options out there. First, take the alcohol wipe from the packet and clean the screen down thoroughly. Wipe away the excess liquid from the screen with a microfiber cloth and proceed to peel away the dust removal sticker to clean up any residue dust particles from the screen. At this point, you can choose to apply the guide stickers to the top of the protector to help guide it into place when applying. Now peel away the protective back from the glass protector, holding it lightly by the edges. Make sure you don't touch the adhesive side with your fingers, as any dust and grease marks will show up beneath the protector and it may not stick down correctly. Taking the guide stickers, carefully lower the protector onto the screen. Now all you need to do is rest the protector onto the screen's surface and let the adhesive attach itself to the screen. Pressing the protector down lightly in the centre and the edges should secure the glass into place, completing the process for instant use. So there you have it, complete glass coverage that protects your screen from impacts and light scratches. With a tempered glass design, there's rarely any fingerprints left behind that impede my view, and the screen's bright display shines through clearly as if there was no protector at all. There's hardly any lip around the edge of the protector, and it fits nicely around the curved edges. I like how the glass protector comes with a black border around the edge. It really helps when lining it up in the application process, so I know that it's in the right place every time. It works smoothly with the Note 10's functions with no delay when swiping through apps, and works surprisingly well with the S Pen, allowing me to write notes smoothly. The only flaw here is how clearly the fingerprint circle stands out on the screen. The slight rainbow effect causes it to stand out against the bright display, which is an annoyance for something that only improves on one of the Note 10's functions. But I can look past this for the enhanced use of the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Samsung has brought to the Note series, allowing me to open the phone in a fraction of a second without entering any passcodes. With this, I would highly recommend activating the touch sensitivity mode in the phone's settings to make the most of this convenient feature. In terms of case compatibility, we've tried out a range of case types from thin to protective, and the majority fit nicely over the protector without lifting it or damaging it, which is a huge relief. For a low-cost glass protector, this one works incredibly well and holds up against the more expensive protectors on the market. For a glass cover that offers a scratch-resistant, anti-fingerprint, shatterproof design, there's little reason not to try this protector out. I hope you've enjoyed this installation guide and review for the Olixar Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching!